Today I'm going to revising chapter number 3, business environment. From this chapter we can expect totally 5 marks for the final examination. How we can allocate these 5 marks? 1 marks question is one, that is in section A, and 4 marks question that is in section C, and plus practical oriented question. Let us start with, in today class I'll going to revise only that section A. In the next class I'll going to revise section C. In section A, it includes one word plus multiple choice oriented question. Let us start with our revision of 1 marks. First one, what is business environment? This question they asked in the year of March 2019, or else they can also ask, give the meaning of business environment. It means some total of individual, institution, other forces outside the control of business enterprises, but that may affect performance. Here, business environment means it is the sum of all total forces. It may be individual, institution, or outside forces. This all that forces which may affect or which may influence to the business. It is called business environment. Or else one more meaning, in simple meaning, business environment is the sum of all total forces which may affect to that business enterprises. It is called business environment. And second question we have, which of the following does not characterize the business environment? If you want to answer that for this question, you should know that what are the characteristics or nature of business environment. Here they ask that it does not, it is does not means it is not a characteristics of business environment. First one, option A, uncertainty, B, employees, C, relativity, C, complexity. The answer is employees. Employees is a part of the business. It is not a characteristics. And third question we have, which of the following is an example for social environment? Option A, money supply in the economy. Supply and economy, it comes in the economic environment. Second one, Consumer Protection Act. This Protection Act also will comes in the legal environment. And third one, the constitution of the country. This will comes in the political environment. Option D, composition of family. The answer is composition of family. Family, culture, tradition, custom, belief, values, this all comes in the social environment. And next one, liberalization means, you should know that, understand the concept of the 1991, the 1991 concept. Here liberalization means integration among economies, reduced government controls restriction, policy planned disinvestment, none of the above. Option A will comes in the globalization. Second one, reduced government rules and regulation. It is a liberalization. Liberal, that means reducing a government rules and regulation to the private sector. Here the government, they are going to giving the importance to the private sector by reducing rules and regulation. This concept we are looking in the 1991 policy. And next we have question number 5, which of the following does not explain the impact of government policy changes on the business environment? Does not, it will does not affect that the what they have made it, the government changes in the rules and regulation. Option A, more demanding customer. B, increasing competition. C, changes in the agriculture prices, market orientation. If the government, if they want to change any rules and regulation also for agriculture prices, it does not affect. And question number 6, mention any one external forces of business environment. Here external forces, keep it in mind, in short form we have that PESTL, PESTL. P stand for political environment, E stand for economic environment, A stand for social environment, T stand for technological environment, L stand for legal environment. You can write it any one for the external forces. This external forces is outside forces we cannot control, but we can take a precaution to control or minimize the risk. Seventh question we have, which of the following is not a dimension of business environment? Already just now only I explained dimension or elements or external forces, this all that the same answer. Here economic environment, social environment, technological environment, natural environment. The natural environment will not comes in the dimension of business environment. And next we have question number 8. What is globalization? The globalization, privatization, liberalization, the three, it also taken the birth of in the 1991. In the year of that 1991, the Pradhan Mantri is a P.V. Narasimha Rao, and also the finance minister is Manmohan Singh. And that time they have introduced that the policies are three, that is globalization, privatization, and liberalization. With this, they have get that many advantages. Here they ask that give the meaning of globalization. Here globalization means integration of various economies of the world towards emergence of cohesive global economy. Before that 1991, any foreign company also they cannot come to in India, they cannot offer the product because they have that restriction from the government. But after that 1991, they have reduced the rules and regulation, and the government has invited to them, you can come and you can sell your products in our country. With this, they are going to giving the competition to that various economy to the different countries in the world, and also it may reach to that cohesive global economy. It is called globalization. Next one, privatization. That means privatization means the government has given the more important to the private sector rather than the government sector. In before that 1991, they have the 32 public sector, but after that continuously it has been reduced to that 11 to 7. That means they are getting the losses in this different public sector. So what are the different sectors they are going to facing a losses, that all industries business they are closed. So here privatization means simple, the government has giving, the public sector has giving the importance to the private sector, and they are going to, that is the private sector, they are going to helping a building of nation process. It is called privatization. And last one, liberalization. The government has reduced the rules and regulation to the private sector. The private sector they can come to that India, that is if that foreign company they can come and they can start their business activities. With this they can offer that many employment opportunity. It helps to a lot in a local. It is called liberalization. These are that 1 marks question in the business environment. In the next class I'm going to revise, that is 4 marks question with answer in simple way. Thank you.